guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Ray-Ban 4057 frame. So let's get started. The first step is to go ahead and turn the frame around, like if you're going to put it on like this. Now, once you've done that, I like to rotate my frame at a 90-degree angle. It just makes it easier to work this way. Then we're going to locate sections here and here of the frame. And we're going to pull out on these sections as we push the lens forward to unseat it. So let's give it a shot. Perfect. Now, it is not uncommon for you to hear a popping sound when you're doing that. If you do hear that popping, don't be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the same thing for this side. Locate sections here and here. Pull out on these sections with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumb to unseat it. Try it again. Perfect. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around. Have them facing towards you like so. Once you've done that, locate the inside grooves of the frame here and here. And we're actually going to be lining up our lenses to those grooves. I like to line up my lens to the top groove and the corner here of the frame. It just makes it a little bit easier to insert them in. Now today I'm going to be installing my G15 Seek Optics replacement lenses. And we're going to start off by lining up this top portion here of the lens. So go ahead and line up that lens. Now once you have it nice and lined up, all you got to do is just push down or forward to get it to insert in. And you should hear a pop like that. Now we're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate the grooves of your frame, line up the top portion and edge of your lens, and then simply push down to get it to seat. Perfect. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch, give it a nice little wipe down to remove any debris that might have been left behind during the installation. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you customize your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.